If you are completing an executive functioning assessment for your child, this video is for you. I will share some simple instructions to help you fill out this brief assessment. You will have either a paper copy that looks like this one, or you will have received a link to the assessment that it's going online. So let's get started. Complete the assessment in one sitting. Give yourself no more than 20 minutes to complete the questions on the assessment. You will have enough time to reflect and give thoughtful responses. Don't worry. And please note that the assessment uses a simple scale that you see here. You will respond either never, sometimes, or often. As you respond to questions about your child, be honest. The more honest you are, the more accurate the results of the assessments will be. Take your time and consider your responses. If you're unsure of how you want to respond, pause and give the question some thought. While answering the assessment questions, you want to think about your child's typical behaviors and executive function abilities. Go with your gut instincts. Consider just the past month. You don't need to think back over the past years or 6 months, what you have noticed this past month only. Okay? This is very important. And it might be helpful to pull out your calendar to refresh your memory. Once you have completed the questions, take a few minutes and review your responses. Double check the accuracy of the demographic information. If you are completing the assessment online, you can submit the assessment electronically. You can follow the instructions there. If you are completing the paper assessment, please return it to our East Vancouver Center. We will be notified when your assessment is complete. So, an LDS team member will be in touch with you to schedule a 30-minute debrief session. You can look forward to a helpful, enlightening conversation to learn more about the results. Thank you, and please feel free to contact our team with any further questions about completing the executive functioning assessment.